Welcome, folks. We appreciate your growling and prowling with us out here. Right now, we have the Dow Industrials down 31. You get the NASDAQ up 20. S&Ps are down 1. Gold contracts up $2.70, trading at $11.87 an ounce. You have silver up 14 cents, $16.83 an ounce. Copper's up 7 pennies at $2.61 a pound. Light sweet crude down $1.11, trading at $50.85 a barrel. Notes: the 10-year note flat at 124.24. 30-year bond down 2 ticks, 152.21. Now, folks, both notes and bonds absolutely rejected lower price. That was even when the Dow was up at 70. So bottom line is that continues to say that notes and bonds both want higher price, lower yield, and that also is setting up to me that this S&P wants lower price. King dollar up 66 ticks, 101.975. The euro's trading at $1.05, and the yen is at 115.70. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? It's going to get interesting. This is why. So, the SPY today got to a price point of $227.45. We did 60 million shares. Well, you were going into the downdraft, the first downdraft from the 14th of December, which had 142 million shares. You're going into the next benchmark, which would be Friday, with 71 million, and you did 60, and you rejected price. So that sets up that this market now wants to go test the December 30th level. Now, the high of December 30th is 224.83. The low is 222.73. So I expect that's exactly what we're going to see tomorrow. We go take a look at the Dow Industrials, same type of setup in the Dow. What we have with the Dow is this. The Dow Industrials are at 19, they got to 19,957. They closed out at 19,855. So what they also did is that they tried to get the higher price. They failed on price. They failed on volume. We go over to the NASDAQ Composite. What you have with the Composite is this. The Composite, what the Composite did, Composite, come on, baby. Give me the Composite. There it is. The NASDAQ Composite closed up $20 at 5,551. Bottom line is that, that can still go to higher price. That's interesting because it closed over the highs of the last 2 days. The NDX 100, the 3 Qs, what do we have with the 3 Qs? 3 Qs can also go to higher price. Now, the 3 Qs certainly gave it up on price. We got to 122.97. Well, not really. You closed at 122.60. Any close over the 122.25 is saying that you can go to higher price. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract, folks, had volume. We did 215,000 contracts. You're at 1187. Bottom line, gold is building cause for higher price. They expect the gold contract's going to make a run to 1221. So this is going to be, we're already into the downdraft from November 23rd. November 23rd, we went from 1217 to 1184. We're at 1187 right now. And we have volume behind the move. So that's setting up that it wants to get up into the low of November 11th, and we'll see how we hit that baby. What we also have is that we had silver catch a bid finally with some volume. Silver's done 66,000 contracts out here today. Good contract volume. Nice price move. We are at a price point right now of 1683. We went to 1695. You did 66,000 contracts. Ooh, so close to an ABC up to. If we had done more than 68,000 contracts, folks, we would have had a small ABC up. Bottom line is, it looks like it wants to make a run now to 17 29. As I said when we were starting the broadcast out here, bonds are saying quite a bit. The 10-year note, what the 10-year note has done is that it refused to back off even when the Dow was up $70. It's flat right now. It did 863,000 contracts. That little baby looks to me like it's building cars to get up into 127.07. 30-year is set up the exact same way, meaning it's refusing lower price. We get over and we take a look at the dollar index. What we have with the dollar index is this. Dollar index closed at 101.995. And this is a toss-up. You know, we did 33,000 contracts. So we'll see where this shakes tomorrow because you could say that this rejected lower price, we got to 101.485 today. You're going into a swing low from January 5th. That swing low was 101.295. You had 60,000 contracts. We only did 33. You know, so now the king dollar, we'll see whether it can make it over this 102 mark again. The benchmark on the king dollar right now is 102.500. What that is, folks, is this: is that when we came down last Thursday and you broke the swing point from the 30th, that is the high of that breakdown. We did 60,000 contracts. So just as today we come into the bottom of this and we rejected it, now realistically it looks like it's going to try to go to the top of that, which is, you know, up about 600 ticks. So we'll see where that does shake out. What it looks to me at this point, broad market-wise, I suspect this market's going to get a little bit nervous. And one of the main reasons I suspect it's going to get nervous because we are going to see what is happening in good old Washington, D.C. And these politicians, bottom line is that the swords are out, folks. And I'm not talking about Democrats versus Republicans. This looks like it's going to be some Senate Republicans against Republicans. That's kind of how this is shaking out. And we're going to be coming up to that real quick. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back.